At the university, the nursing program online is very doable for the working nurse and the parent, and whether it's a mother or a father, or maybe they're not a parent, maybe they just work a lot of hours, it's very doable because the student does have the capacity to look at each assignment, and each week of the course they can look ahead, and they can meet with their instructor anytime they'd like to explain anything coming down the pike, what they don't understand, making sure they understand the specific assignment. But working around the nurse's schedule is what this program is geared to. They can listen to online lectures in the car, they can turn on their phone and go to the app and open up the classroom on their app, and they can see their grades on the app. So from anywhere, really, this program is accessible.
When you sign on for a class at the university, it's really setting yourself up in a course calendar, making sure that you have the time and availability. Many of us work full-time, we have families, we have other obligations, but really making your school year program a success is really setting yourself up for success and making the time in your life to be able to participate in the program.
It is very doable. Any working nurse has a great sense of a schedule. The most important thing is to understand that when you make the commitment to get your BSN, it is a commitment. And as a nurse, we know how to multitask. And so we can do that in our schooling as well. Being forthright with a schedule is very, very important, which nurses are used to, so it is doable, but it is a commitment.